Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We are given 4 power a multiplied by 4 power a multiplied by 4 power a equals 20. So we want to find a in this problem. So let's see solution from here. So the question says 4 power of a multiplied by 4 power of a multiplied by 4 power of a equals 20. Then the next step here is we have 4 power of a. So all this, let's say it follows a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So this is a raised to power of 3. By applying it to this, we have 4 power of a raised to power of 3 equals 20. Then when we multiply this together, we have 4 power of a times 3, that is 3a, equals 20. So after having this, the next step here is we introduce logarithm on both sides. Here we have log 4 power of 3a equals log 20. So by applying the law of logarithm here, this becomes 3a multiplied by log 4 equals log 20. And by dividing both sides by log 4 here, we have 3a equals log 20 divided by log 4. And to get the value of a, we have to separate this. If this is 3a equals, we have this as log open bracket, we consider this as 4 times 5, which is 20 divided by log 4. So in the next step, we have this as 3a equals, we apply the product log, and which changed to log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. And by separating this one, here is 3a equals log 4 we divided by log 4, that is 1, plus also we have this as log 5 divided by log 4. And we have log 5 divided by log 4. So we call this one 3a equals 1 plus log 4 divided by log 5 divided by log 4, that is log 5 base 4. And by dividing both sides by 3, we are going to have our a here equals 1 plus log 5 base 4 divided by 3. And here is the result that satisfies this problem. And we have to check for this if it really satisfies the given equation. So to check, we are going to substitute the answer gotten into this. So since we got a equals 1 plus log 5 base 4 divided by 3. So here is the answer we get. Then we substitute into this, but before then, we have this as 4 raised to power of 3a. So to save the time, equals 20. So by replacing a with the solution there, we have this as 4 raised to power of 3. Then open bracket 1 plus log 5 base 4 divided by 3. And we want to show that this equals 20. So 3 cancel 3, and when 3 cancel 3, we are left with 4 raised to power of 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power of log 5 base 4, and is this equals 20. So by this 4 raised to the power 1, that is 4 multiplied by, here we have base 4 and the logarithm we have base 4. It means we take only 5. So that is the rule. Then this equals 20. So if you multiply 4 and 5 together, that gives us 20, and 20 equals 20 here. So this shows that you can just say, conclude that our value of a here that satisfies this equation is 1 plus log 5 base 4 divided by 3. So A is the given answers. So thanks for watching, and if you like, you can press the decimal value of it and the numerical value of it, then we get the answer where we substitute. So this is how to solve this. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and if you have another method of solving this, drop it in the comment box so that we can learn together. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.